Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, God morning. Why you leaving? I came out here to walk. What? Oh, he need help. He needs some milk. Good morning, Facebook. Fresh out that county 45. I was in Facebook jail. I need one of these switches. Ooh, this is a good one. They got a little extra. This is a good switch. Look at that switch. New body coming soon. Ain't this just beautiful? You know what I would do to wake up to this every day? Do you know what I would do to wake up and see this beautiful landscape every day? This is his backyard. This is his backyard. My son come out here every day and just walk around. This is his backyard. All of this. All of this. All of this. Amazing. All the way around. Just beautiful. He put I'm trying to see if I can see some. Not too long now. I'm like the turtles that ate them mugs up by now. So much life out here. You know what I'm saying? I love it out here. Them bugs are something different. Them bugs. Look at this bitch. Good morning, sister. Look at this. Can you imagine waking up to this every morning? Ducks be out there. Beavers be out there. Just, oh. I'ma hate to leave. This is what I'm gonna miss. You know, you miss family, of course, but this, a whole farm back there. Look at the firehouse, chicken coop. Farmland me, please. Drop me in the middle of nowhere with a house and a farm and some land. Beautiful. I don't know why I've got a bad connection back here. Oh, because it's on Wi-Fi. Thank you, 5G. God morning, God morning. If you're just joining me, just take a look at this beautifulness. This godness. Take a look at this godness. In all his mercy and glory, take a look at it. This is God to me. This is God to me. I don't know what God is to you in your walk on this spiritual journey, but this and that beautiful sun is God to me. I come out here with no shoes on. You heard me? Plant your feet in the dirt and let the light consume you. It is a beautiful feeling. It is a beautiful feeling. It's like you get recharged. You get recharged because we came from the dirt. Hello. We came from the dirt. Where do you think you gotta go reconnect to? The dirt. Put your feet in the dirt. In the sunlight. Soak up that vitamin D. Soak it up. We are like flowers. We need the sun, the air, and the water to grow. Something just jumped out the water. I'm trying to tell you. Be careful down there, Isaiah. You hear me? Isaiah! Be careful down there. We need it to grow. Hey, Auntie, good morning. It is necessary. If you think about life like I'm a flower, think about a flower, a plant, right? If it's in a dark room with no light, no water, no nothing, what is going to happen to that plant? Is it going to grow? Or is it going to get tired of fighting and searching for what it needs? And just say, fuck it, and die. That is how we have to think. Oh, yeah, there's something swimming in there that just came out the water and went back down. Now he's swimming. That look like a turtle head. Think about that. It's going to die because it's not what? Getting what it needs to survive. And that's how we are as humans. If we don't get what we need to survive in this world, love, understanding, support, just genuineness, and we always in a dark place, sad and gloomy, you're going to look up and your whole life going to just shrivel away and you're going to die. Broken, sad, just wanting to be loved, supported, fed, nourished. Now, when you put that same plant, thank you, God. When you put that same plant, take it out that dark room, sit it on the table, water it, talk to it. Thank you, God. Love it. Watch what it do. You're going to look up and it's going to be little green buds popping up from the bottom. From the bottom. Saying, finally, somebody loving me. Finally, somebody nourishing my soul. Finally, somebody feeding what I need to survive. Let me show you how beautiful I am. Let today be the day that you get out that dark room. It has been a pleasure talking to you this morning. I look forward to many, many more on this journey that we are on together called life. This is Miss Rowland.